Hello everyone, welcome to the Big Guy Garage. If you're new here, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. If you're returning to watch videos, please hit that share button. We really need your support, but this is what we do here. Classics, rat rods, hot rods, resto mods. And also you can jump onto the shop and pick up the clothes, the shirts that help support the channel. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's your video. I moved the center hole of the lower control arm forward 3/4 of an inch. Now I have to drill it on this side. Put the bolt through. You already said hi. And then I have to drill it on the other plate. So I'm going to take this over to the press.
I'm watching you.
Good for you.
Hi, it's me again.
I can't see you. Stop. So now I have the 3/4 forward adjustment drilled out. Now I put a plate against it from the back side. So here we are now. This is the other side of the 3/4 forward. Big old fly. Poor fly, but anyway, it's now 3/4 of an inch forward. And it's time to weld. Now I haven't decided yet whether or not I'm going to TIG the arms together or MIG them. The TIG's pretty new. I haven't used it but one time. And it wasn't bad. It wasn't like lay down the dimes. But let's get this one off. Don't do like I do. No gloves, no eye protection, okay? I just call that quick welding basically because I'm an idiot and I don't wear a mask a lot of the times. Really the one thing that helps me with a mask is not getting sunburn on my face. My money maker. But no. Okay, so now I need to let that cool. Because if you pull things off here too soon, they'll warp and move. And when it does that, your jig is pointless. There's actually some pretty welds though, for not using a mask or gloves or anything like that. A little bit crappy in the beginning, but pretty good. Let's take a look here. Yes, yeah. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I use 100% CO2 by the way. It's cheap. What can I say? I'm cheap. But yeah. So the jig's made now, and of course, when you move it 3/4 of an inch forward, your back's not going to fit in, but that's perfectly fine. So that's the lower one now. That jig is made, and I'm pretty sure I could throw that down the mountain and it wouldn't mess it up at all. So now I'm going to let this cool, move it all out of the way, do the top one. It's a little bit more complicated, but we'll show you that when we get to it. So this one's not exactly hard, not exactly easy though. Since we already made a bunch of our tabs with our 9/16 holes in it, do the same thing we did before. We bolt it up. please don't critique my welding or my welds too hard. Self-taught. I think I do pretty much fabulous for teaching myself how to weld just by reading a lot on the internet. That was like before everybody started using YouTube and they're like, use the internet. So yeah, I can lay down some dimes. But yeah. So now, again, that needs to cool. While it's cooling, I'm going to get me some nice pictures of these welds. Because I think they look fabulous. So, let that cool. Be right back. Okay, so this is the front bushing mount. That's where it goes. Now, it needs to be actually 3/4 of an inch longer than this is. So, this is 11 1/8. So, it needs to be 11 7/8. I believe so. Let's double check. This one. Yeah, it's about 11 1/16 actually. So, what else? 11 13 1/16. So it needs to be 16th longer than 11. Let's see if we can get super good close. Yeah. Maybe it's 16th past an 8th. Or 16th past an 8th. So, with 3/4 then an 8th. So 15 16ths. So it needs to be a total of 15 16ths. That's a hard thing to say. Now what I did was I knocked the actual bushing and everything out of the rear end. This is the housing bushing or whatever you want to call it. Now really what you're going to be getting in here is your sleeve. That's what's tightening down and it keeps it, you know, rolling. Which another thing between poly and these is like right now that you could never move that. On a poly one you could probably move that easy with 2 fingers. That's how much more movement it allows. So I need to make a jig to actually hold this on here back in the position it needs to be in, and I'm probably just going to make some little gussets to hold it level, and then to the length I need it to be. That's the simplest way to do it. Height and length back, that's all I got to do on that. I'm going to use 2 for sure, just to make sure it's absolutely stiff, make sure it's level. Use some again 1/8 inch, nothing special. Cut them out with plasma. And as you can see, these are just basically straight, and they just widen out, which will just make a U down here out of some 1/4 inch probably. So, yeah, so just level, bracket, distance, weld it.